May the 23rd, John Wood reporting. These guys are having a picnic right here in front of me. Just moved into a paddock for the first time this year. These are really healthy, doing extremely well cattle. This is how grass-fed beef is supposed to be produced. 100% forage. And these animals have genetics to actually convert forage into high quality meat. So this guy right here is a perfect animal. So John Wood reporting. Northeast Missouri, getting ready to rain. Perfect conditions. 70 degrees. These guys are super happy. You can hear them graze. Thank you for listening.